Okay guys, it is the time for today's $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends, and of course do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, and of course this trend actually started right from this resistance zone, and it has been selling since then after giving us a sell signal. But however, it got to this support zone, and of course it has played around there for a while because it has not been able to break out from there. So right now it's trying to go back on buy trend. It's possible for this to get to this region. Okay, for it to get to this region, and if it breaks out above it, then definitely it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will go back on downtrend and try out this support zone. So for now it is buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time. We should take note of that. Okay, so next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500. It started an uptrend from here, got to this region, had a pullback, went back up to break out from this resistance zone, and it has gotten to a new resistance zone. Of course it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above that resistance zone, then it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. So this is still buying at the moment. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. This had been on a very strong uptrend, got to this region, had a pullback and went back up to break out above it, and of course it got to another resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. However, at the moment it is still buying. The next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 started from this resistance zone, and you can see the downtrend signal and a sell signal right from here, just a single signal, and of course check it out, it's got to this region, and of course it has gotten to this support zone, trying to go back up but was unable to go above this resistance zone. Okay, and of course it had a pullback from there, and of course if it's unable to break out from this support zone, from this particular support zone, it will go back there to try it out again to see if it will be able to break out from that support, from that resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, then it will keep on buying. Okay, we expect more of a buying opportunity, but it is pulling back at the moment. Okay, if it's done with the pullback and it does not break out below that support zone, then it will go back into a buy trend fully, most especially once it breaks out above the resistance zone. So we should take note of that. Okay, so the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 started the downtrend from here, got to this support zone, had a pullback, went back up, went back down to break out below this support zone, and of course this is still on downtrend. If it's unable to break out below this support zone, it will go back fully into an uptrend. So for now this is still selling. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of it. Practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.